If you should visit a place that has a lake in the woods and a beautiful waterfall, then you may also find two little engines called Skarloey and Rheneas. The engines know everybody, and everybody knows them. There are two more engines, Sir Handel and Peter Sam. They used to be called Stuart and Falcon, but they like their new names better. One day, Sir Topham Hatt sent Edward to the works to be mended. A big surprise awaited Edward.
It's Skarloey. What's he doing here?
Skarloey was pleased to see Edward. I've been sent here for a rest, he sighed. I was put in this shed so that I could see everything and not be lonely. But I do miss Rheneas. He's going to be mended. I wish I could be mended too and pull coaches again. Just then, some workmen arrived.
We're going to take you to the works now, Edward. Come along. Goodbye, Skarloey. Your railway's a lovely line.
Oh, it is, it is. You've cheered me up, Edward. Goodbye. Meanwhile, Sir Handel was having trouble with some coaches. He tried to be kind, but the coaches didn't trust him. They were awkward and rude. There was worse to come. Some careless sheep had strayed onto the line.
He's bumped us, screamed the coaches. Let's get back at him.
They surged into Sir Handel and pushed him off the rails. No one was hurt, but Sir Handel limped sadly to the shed.
No more work for you today, said his driver. How are we going to pull the visitors' train without an engine?
What about me, sir?
Skarloey, can you do it?
I'll try, said the old engine. The coaches stood at the platform. I'm ashamed of you, scolded Skarloey. You might have hurt your passengers. The coaches quivered. We're sorry, Skarloey. The conductor blew the whistle, and their journey began. Skarloey remembered all the gates and stiles where he had to stop. The sun shone, the rails were dry. This is lovely, sang Skarloey. Presently, the line grew steep. Skarloey felt short of steam. Take your time, soothed his driver. It'll be better downhill, Skarloey said to himself. But it wasn't. His springs were weak, and the rail joints jarred his wheels. At last, a spring gave way.
I feel all crooked, cried Skarloey. We'll need a bus now for our passengers, sighed his driver.
No, pleaded Skarloey. I'll get them to the station or burst. James was waiting at the platform. Clanging and clanking, Skarloey steamed in. I'll do it. I'll do it. I've done it. James collected his passengers and respectfully puffed away. Everyone was pleased with Skarloey, but he was still worried. Old engines can't pull trains like the young ones can. They can if they're mended, Old Faithful, smiled his driver. And that's what's going to happen to you. You deserve it.